You know, it wasn't that long ago that I paid a lot of money for my computer. I got the big hard drive, the added memory, the faster processor, the works. But one day something changed. It just wasn't performing like the well-oiled machine I paid for. Oh sure, I had options. Buy a new computer and have to reload all my stuff? I don't think so.
It was just a matter of a couple buttons, which was quite exciting to me.
It straightened everything up and took all the gunk out of my computer.
My computer used to be so slow, now it's back to being fast, like it's brand new.